And for some reason, these birds, see, they keep coming here. They like taking turns. See, I'm blowing smoke in the window. This ain't going to the window. They like the smell of the Kush. Hey, buddy. Oh, that was too much. I kind of violated. Kind of blew it in his face. It could have been the motorcycle, too. I don't know. Hey, buddy. They're gonna come back, though. And this little nigga's gonna come to the window. Bang. See, he's getting there. These niggas love the bud, B. Look at these niggas. It's like 3 of these niggas there. Ain't on no other window. These niggas.